Hey everyone, Kling AI has just dropped version 2.1, and it's absolutely insane. Over the past few weeks, the AI video generation scene has gotten intense. Google released its VO3 model, and it was dominating headlines as the most advanced video generation software, until now. Because Kling AI had something to say about that, and it's fired back hard with the release of version 2.1. And honestly, from what I've seen, this might just be the best AI video generator available right now. So what exactly makes Kling 2.1 so incredible? Version 2.1 is now 3 times more accurate, the video quality is better, with output up to 1080p resolution. The generation speed is faster, with videos ready in just 30 seconds. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works and show you real results. The link to Kling is available in the description below. Let's get started. When you open the Kling AI website, click on the Experience button to launch the video generation tool. At the top, you'll see that we're using Kling version 2.1. There are 3 main generation options available: text to video, image to video, and multi-elements. Let's start by testing the image to video option. First, I'm uploading a photo here. You also have the option to upload an end photo if you want to control how your video ends. This is useful for transitions and storytelling. Next, we need to add a prompt that describes the scene. You can either write your own or use DeepSeek to generate a prompt for you. For this example, I'll type a simple prompt: an eagle flying. You also have the option to turn on sound pads. This adds sound effects and background audio. Right now, it's free to use. There's also an option to add negative prompts. For example, blur, distortion, or low quality. This helps improve the clarity and realism of the result. Now, choose your video duration. You can also select how many outputs you want. Click on the Generate button and wait a few seconds. And here's the result. The eagle is flying smoothly, the animation is natural, and the visual quality is very impressive. Now, let's try another example. I'm uploading a different photo, adding a new prompt, and using the same settings. Click Generate. Once again, the video is ready in just a few seconds, and this time, listen to the sound. The sound effects match the scene, and the video feels very cinematic. Let's try something action-based. I'm uploading another photo and writing this prompt. He stares silently, raises a pistol in one swift motion. Click Generate. The video is ready. And even though the character isn't showing the pistol directly, probably due to content moderation, the expressions and movements are very realistic. You can feel the tension in the scene. Next, let's try using DeepSeek to generate a prompt for us. Upload an image and click on Have DeepSeek generate the prompt. It analyzes the photo and creates a relevant prompt automatically. Here, DeepSeek gave us a prompt. Click Generate. The result is super cinematic. The video looks realistic, the motion is smooth. Let's do another quick example using a cat photo. Upload the image, add the prompt, enable sound effects, add negative prompts for better quality. To choose the video duration, click Generate. The video is ready. And once again, the result is amazing. The cat's motion looks cute and the added audio brings it to life. Kling also has a powerful lip sync feature. To try this, go to the lip sync tool. Upload a photo or a video. Then add either text to speech or upload your own dubbing. I'm going to type a short line of text, then I'll choose a voice from the list. Click Add Speech.
You know what's funny?
You know what's funny?
Then click Generate. After a few seconds, the lip sync video is ready.
You know what's funny? People love to talk. They love to judge, assume, and gossip. But when it's time to actually show up,
and it works beautifully. The lips match the speech smoothly, and the voice output is clear and well-timed. You can use this for creating talking avatars, digital presenters, or storytelling content. So that's Kling AI version 2.1. Better quality, faster results, cheaper pricing, more creative freedom. Whether you're a content creator, digital marketer, or just experimenting with AI, Kling 2.1 is a tool you'll want to try. The link is in the description below. It's free to use right now, so don't miss the chance to test it for yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.